So today what we are going to start is formal letters, in which first of all I'm going to discuss about the official letters. Official letter is written by an individual और ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की इंडिविजुअल मेंबर कोई भी लिख सकता है लेटर या कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की तरफ से भी हो सकती है. इट इज एड्रेस टू द कंसर्न्ड ऑफिशियल ऑफ अ ब्लैक ऑफ अ बैंक और an gas agency or telephone department, police department, municipal authority, etc. with a view to seek some information. किसी भी तरीके से आप कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन लेना चाहते हो किसी भी ऑफिशियल अथॉरिटी से, तो यू कैन राइट दिस लेटर. And addressing the problem, if you have any problem, you want to tell about your problem, you can mention that problem, and then you can seek relief and to give some suggestions for the improvement. You can give suggestions from your side also. Official letters can be of two types: letters of complaint, letters of inquiry. कि अगर आपको किसी चीज के लिए किसी भी प्रॉब्लम के लिए कोई कंप्लेंट करनी है which you are facing in your area, so that can be letters of complaint. And if you want to get information for anything from any office, that can be letters of inquiry. For complaint, this letter is written to address any type of wrongdoing, offense, grievance, resentment arising out of services, rash driving, poor treatment of street dogs, etc. मीन्स किसी तरह की भी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, कोई क्राइम हो रहा है, कोई आप कंप्लेंट करना चाहते हो, कोई किसी भी चीज के लिए आप प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हो, वाटर सप्लाई के लिए या कुछ भी आपकी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के लिए कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आपको फेस कर रहे हो आप अपने एरिया में, यू कैन राइट अ लेटर टू दैट पर्टिकुलर ऑफिस. Then letters of inquiry. A letter of inquiry asks someone for specific information. It could be written with respect to an item that a person is interested in, a course that a person wants to study, a vacation trip that a person wants to go on. That means किसी भी तरह की कोई आप इंक्वायरी करना चाहते हो किसी भी ऑफिस से, you want to get admission in some course, you want to get admission in some degree course or some diploma or some training, or you want to arrange some trip, for that also you can get the inquiries. So according to your board examination, the marking scheme for your exam, 5 marks are there for the letter. 1 mark is for the format, that is proper layout, sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, salutation, and complimentary clause. All these things are taken in the format. Then 2 marks are for the content, relevant ideas to be presented in a coherent way, use connectors appropriately, divide into paragraphs. There should be minimum 3 paragraphs. You have to write 3 paragraphs for the letter, and that will be considered as your content. We will discuss how 3 paragraphs are to be divided. Then 2 marks are there for the grammatical accuracy, which is called as expression, with spellings and coherence. That means linking of the ideas, relevance of the ideas, and style, how you are writing or linking those ideas. That is for 2 marks expression, 2 marks content, and 1 mark for the format. The word limit is 120 to 150. No mark is awarded if only the format is given. Credit is given for the candidate's originality and creativity in presenting his or her ideas, and mixing up of the traditional and the modern layout is not acceptable. Please be careful that if you are writing only the format, no body part, content part is mentioned, then no marks will be given. And if you are writing your original ideas, your creative ideas, you will get more marks. Then don't mix the traditional and the modern layout. What do we mean by this? Traditional means when we were writing the letters in the traditional way in the olden times, everything was written on the right hand side. But now in the modern layout, we are writing everything on the left hand side. Sender's address, date, receiver's address, salutation, subject, everything is written on the left hand side. So this is the modern layout. You must mention, you must write according to the modern layout. Don't mix both the methods. Now see the pattern or the format you have for the letters, formal letters. First sender's address, then date, or the date is to be written, that we'll discuss later on in the next sample. Then inside or addresses address, that means the receiver's address. Then salutation, it can be written before the subject or it can be written after the subject. Then subject is to be mentioned, whatever the problem you are having, or you want to make any complaint or you want to make an inquiry about, accordingly the subject should be given. Then again sir ma'am is written, that means salutation can be before the subject or after the subject. Then body part, which will have three parts in the content. One is the beginning, second content, third is the ending or the conclusion. Then at the end, subscription, where you will write complimentary close, that is yours sincerely or yours truly. Please read some of the important lines or the useful lines which you can use in the beginning of your letters, in the formal letters, according to the topic. If it is complaint or some inquiry or you're writing letter to editor, accordingly you will write the lines, choose the line appropriate and then write it. These are the beginning lines for your letter. Some important lines which you can use, any one out of these. I wish to bring it to your notice that I would like to draw the immediate attention of the concerned authority. May I draw the dash attention to a matter of utmost concern that deserves immediate address. With reference to the above mentioned subject, I saw your advertisement in the newspaper. This letter is in reference to the advertisement published in dash, dated dash. After reading your advertisement about dash, I wish to make certain inquiries. I'm writing in response. I'm writing to complain about. I read your advertisement for. I would be grateful for information about. Could you tell me if dash, I wish to find out more about dash. I look forward to receiving a reply. So these are all the beginning lines for the letters, which you, any one line which you feel suitable can be used according to the topic. Now, note down some important tips which you must note while writing your letter. First, you should be brief, clear, concise, and to the point. Don't write too much unnecessary details क्योंकि अब आपकी word limit भी कम हो गई है according to board. So you should be very brief and clear. Use a proper layout format for these formal letters. As we have discussed above, format. Use of punctuation marks is adopted in the indented form, but it is dispensed within the block format. हम जो use कर रहे हैं that is block format, तो इसमें हम punctuation marks use नहीं करते हैं. Don't mix the two formats. दोनों को mix नहीं करना है. It will be better for you to practice and follow the block format, which is in vogue. That means in fashion nowadays after introduction of the computers. जब से computers आए हैं, तो ये block format जो है वो use में है, जो कि हम modern style में left hand side पे लिखते हुए सारा use करते हैं. So that should be used and no punctuation marks should be used. Convey facts briefly but impressively. Indicate the theme in the initial para of the body of the letter. Develop your points in the middle paragraph and conclude giving suggestions in the final part of the body of the letter. Now note down how you are to divide the content part into 3 paragraphs. First paragraph should give the initial theme or the idea or the problem which you want to discuss. Then second paragraph should tell about the problems which you are facing due to that problem which you have mentioned. उस problem की वजह से क्या result हो रहे हैं, क्या difficulties आपको face करनी पड़ रही हैं, that should be mentioned in the second paragraph. Then in the third paragraph, you must mention some suggestions, thanks, or some request to the editor if you are writing the letter. Some requests should be made and thanks should be given, and some suggestions about the problem should be given by your side. So in this way you have to divide the letter into 3 paragraphs. Again, the tips: use simple and direct language, avoid the use of long and high sounding words and ambiguous constructions. Simple lines में, simple language में, आप direct language में words लिखने हैं जो भी लिखने हैं. कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस मत यूज करिए कि बहुत लंबे लंबे सेंटेंसेस बन जाएं और आप उसको फिर मीनिंग क्लियर ना कर पाओ. बी courteous even while lodging a complaint or criticizing. You should be polite and charming. कि अगर आपको कोई कंप्लेंट लेटर भी लिखनी है तो you should be courteous. You should not criticize and don't use rough and rude language. Important points that you must remember about the block format. There is no indentation. Indentation होता है जब हम particular proper margin छोड़ते हैं. Each block begins with the margin on the left hand side. आपको सिर्फ left hand side पर margin छोड़ना है, right side पे नहीं छोड़ना है. Extra space should be left between different sections and paragraphs. जब भी आप different sections बना रहे हो उसके, suppose sender's address लिखा, date, then receiver's address, in between थोड़ी सी spacing जो है आपको छोड़ने है, थोड़ा space छोड़कर gap देकर लिखना है. Then 3 paragraphs you are dividing the letter into. Those 3 paragraphs must have 1 line in between. कि थोड़ी सी space हर paragraph के बाद एक छोड़कर एक line, then start the next paragraph. Omit punctuation marks in the address, date, and salutation. In case you put a comma in the address, use it throughout. Don't mix the two systems. It's better not to use any punctuation marks. Now there is one sample given to you. You are Sanjeev of 122 Arjun Nagar, Delhi. A number of scooters and cars are parked in your locality without any order, causing blockage of the streets. Write a letter to the local secretary of the residents association complaining against this problem. So this is about the complaining letter to the local secretary of your association. Okay, we'll discuss it again. I'm not going to read this letter. Now I'm coming to the important part, that is because our topic today is to discuss about the letters to editor. Let me share the next part. Is the screen visible? Jasmine, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Please let me know when I'll share the screen. Is the screen visible? Yes. Is it visible?
No, ma'am.
No.